Today is the 29th of December 2020, 10:30 a.m. This is a 10-year-old male.
Not neutered.
Not neutered. Pug.
Okay. We have weighed the top. What was the weight?
7.3.
7.3 kg. And temperature is 38.2, which is normal.
Okay.
Okay. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Then now what is the complaint now? This pug. So now we're talking about what is the complaint? Why did the pug come in for? Yeah.
So since the last treatment, he came in last week for the
dry eye treatment. And the dental.
And then when he goes back, the last few days he's been very agitated, and he gets up now like 3 a.m., 4 a.m. and he refuses to sleep, and he's been running around throughout the room.
Okay.
Very agitated, and he has a wheezing bark to it, and he keep barking at me. So this is a very timid dog in the past. This is a very first time he's behaving like this. He never does this.
So we open this.
Sure.
So she's thinking that whether this is due to the anesthetic or not, right?
Or whatever that was
Or the
introduced
treatment, okay.
into him for the last 1 week.
Okay. Now we did a blood test and it was not having enough red blood cells. That means anemic. It has a very low red blood cell count. So from here you can't tell exactly because it still looks a bit pink. So what we do, we take another test to check. Okay. Now the teeth has been done, so there shouldn't be any toothache. Because toothache can cause the dog to be unhappy. Yeah? Now as regards 4 a.m., 3 a.m. waking up to make noise.
Yeah, running around, agitated, barking.
And the wheezing sound also.
And the wheezing sound.
Wheezing normally is something stuck in the airway, and usually it's a fluid. Is there a sound like? Is this a sound? Whistling sound?
So the video was the one
No, whistling sound? Any whistling?
No, whistling he was
a bit
coughing,
okay.
when he was barking, he was like
There is some sore throat.
But he never does this, he never gets up like 3 a.m. So agitated. And it's been like this for the last few days.
So there's some sore throat here.
Is that?
Yeah, let me check the heart. Quick check of the heart and the lungs.
Yep.
Come this side. Whether irregular heartbeat. The heart is not beating regularly. Let me check the lungs first.
But he was still okay last week when he came for the checkup.
Okay, it's like lungs are normal. Now the heartbeat is not regular in the sense that the regular beat it's like it's not regular. Now let's check the abdomen. Okay, check abdomen. See if there's any pain or not. Just relax it. No pain. The lump is still there. We'll X-ray.
Okay.
There's no pain in the lump. There's a big one is almost half the golf ball size with the prostate enlargement. As the dog has not been neutered. The dog has not been neutered. You turn upside down, huh? Really? You hold the armpit. Hold the armpit.
You want to turn him upside down? Oh, okay.
Armpit.
I'll carry him up.
No, just put it down.
Okay.
See, there's some infection here, there. But not much. Okay.
Last week when he came for the checkup, I remember his heart was alright.
Yeah.
Everything was.
The dog is old, so you cannot say last week and this week might change. Things do change even old people. So we will go for X-ray and then take a blood test and the urine test. Blood test is for checking the tick fever. Okay, finish.